Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss the topic integration. Here we have area under a curve. Area enclosed by a curve and the x-axis. Given the curve, y is equal to fx. So kindly refers to the situation. We have the situation in part A, which is under the x-axis, and the second part would be the part B, which is above the x-axis. So now we have two situations. So for the situation part A, we have area, which is a negative value. So as we all know, area, the value won't be negative. So in order to avoid this situation, we have to add on the modulus sign. For the situation, integrate the function fx with respect to x for the limits a to b. Next, the second part would be the region above the x-axis, where we have the area which is a positive. So integrate the function fx with respect to x for the limit b to c. Find the area bounded by y equals to a quadratic function, the line x equals to 0 and x equals to 4, and the x-axis. So kindly focus on the quadratic function, where we have y is equals to 2 minus x multiplied with x minus 4. So kindly expand the situation. So y will be equals to 2x minus 8 minus x squared plus 4x. Rearrange the situation. Negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. Then express the situation in a standard form, meaning that we have to completing the square. So y will be equals to negative bracket x squared minus 6x plus 8. So negative bracket x squared minus 6x plus bracket negative 3 square minus negative 3 square plus 8. So express the situation in the standard form, where we have negative bracket x minus 3 square minus 9 plus 8. So y will be equals to negative x minus 3 square plus 1, where we have the maximum point three, 1. Next, we are going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So given the situation when x is equal to 0, and we will obtain y is equals to 2 multiplied with negative 4. So meaning that we will have the point 0, negative 8 for the y-intercept. When y is equals to 0, and we will obtain x equals to 2 and x equals to 4. So where we have the x-intercept 2, 0 and 4, 0. So kindly refers to the situation and sketch the graph. So here we have the xy axis. Then I'm going to sketch the graph for the quadratic function. So where we will have the point, which is the y-intercept 0, negative 8. Then we will have 2, 0 and 4, 0. Where we have the maximum point, which is equals to 3, 1. So kindly sketch the graph. Where we have the situation y is equals to negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. Next, kindly sketch the line x equals to 0, where we have y-axis. Next, x equals to 4. Then we have x-axis, where we have y equals to 0. Then identify the region bounded by the graph. So here will be the region. Next, we will have this region. So kindly refers to the graph. So I name it as A and B. Kindly refers to part A. We have the graph under the x-axis. So do remember to add on the modulus sign. So for the area, we have integrate the function negative x squared plus 6x minus 8 with respect to x. And the limit will be 0 to 2. Do remember to add on the sign, which is a modulus sign. Next, add on the part B, which is above the x-axis, so it will be the positive area. So integrate the situation for negative x squared plus 6x minus 8 with respect to x. For the limit 2 until 4. So kindly integrate the situation and find the area. So now we will have negative x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3x squared minus 8x for the limit 2, 0. Do remember to add on the modulus sign. Plus, for the second part, same as well for the integral, negative x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3x squared minus 8x for the limit 4, 2. So kindly substitute the value and we will have negative 8 over 3 plus 12 minus 16 minus bracket 0. So simplify the situation and we will obtain modulus negative 20 over 3. And finally, we will have 20 over 3 for the left hand side. Kindly proceed to the right hand side. Plus, if we substitute the value 4 and we will obtain negative 64 over 3 plus 48 minus 32 minus, if we substitute 2 and we will have negative 8 over 3 plus 12 minus 16. Simplify the situation and we will have negative 64 over 3 plus 16 minus bracket negative 8 over 3 minus 4. Next, simplify the situation plus negative 64 over 3 plus 16 plus 8 over 3 plus 4. So simplify the situation, we have negative 36 over 3 plus 20. Negative 12 plus 20. So finally, the area for the graph would be equals to 8 unit square. So here we are, and thanks for watching.